Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video we will learn how to install Windows 7 on HP laptop. In our case we are having an Elitebook having a model 8440p, and we have actually inserted Windows 7 CD into the DVD-ROM, and we have restarted our laptop. So once we will restart, then we have a notification to press any key. Then we have pressed the enter key and Windows file starts to load. So here you can see you people would be also having such kind of a screen on your laptops or PCs or desktops. So you have to wait for the loading to finish. Once it would complete, I would tell you how to install the Windows 7. So once the loading is completed, we have such kind of a dashboard opens, and then we have two options, whether it's 32-bit or 64-bit. In our case we have select 64-bit, and you have to accept the license terms. Then you have again two options for upgrade and for custom. So we are doing custom because we are actually doing a fresh installation. So if you are already having old data in your hard drives, you should actually format all your hard drives, whether they are in 2, 3 or 4. So in this way you have to format all your hard disk. Partition scheme also depends upon your requirements, so it doesn't matter whatsoever you choose. So here we will wait for the Windows files to be installed, and we have skipped some part of the video to avoid the long length of the video. So we are having actually total number of 5 steps, and we are actually on the 4th step of installing updates, and then the 5th step we would be having would be completing the installation, and we are actually waiting for it. Once all 5 steps are completed, we have to restart. After clicking the restart button, your PC must restart. You don't have to do anything right now, even if it toggles to press any key. Just like us, you would be having Windows 7 logo up on your screen, and would be having a title, setup is updating, registry settings. So you don't have to worry about that. You just have to carry out all the steps as we people are showing to you. So you have to be patient and wait for a while. Don't do hurry while actually installing Windows, because I have noticed that most of us do hurry in installing the Windows, and they actually forget one of the steps, and they definitely have an error or some kind of a problem in the end of the Windows installation setup. So you have to watch the full video really carefully, and I believe after watching this video you would be able to install Windows 7 of any version, whether it is Windows 7 Ultimate, Starter Kit or Professional, by your very own hands. Windows 7 installation is too easy, and we prefer that you people should actually purchase a license for Windows 7 installation, so that you could enjoy 24/7 hours of technical support from the Microsoft Teams. So we have almost completed our installation, and our PC is again restarting. rest for a while. As you can see, we are having a title setup. It's preparing your computer for first use. Actually, in this case, it check all the cables and the network and video adapter cards, that which setting will suit it. So again, you would be having another setting to use, where you should type your name or the name you want to give to your PC. It's up to you whether you have password or not. You can choose any setting. In my case, I am using recommended settings. Then you have the option to change the time and calendar or date. Then finally, congratulations, you are successful in installing your Windows 7. I hope you might have enjoyed our video, and I also hope that you might have subscribed to our YouTube channel for further informative videos and tutorials such like these. Thank you very much.